Mechanic. Go different hole. Split different hole.
Huh?
Split different hole. Oh, the lock lah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they put something on that. Chain. I don't know. I think. I don't know what they put on that. Mechanic. Be careful นะ I purchased this plant auger on, or I guess, yeah, plant auger on Amazon. It is it's a piece that it's just this part right here. You connect it to whatever drill you have, and it helps with digging in the spring. So hold on, you can watch. I'm gonna do some bulbs, and it goes. When you hear that noise, it's probably hit a root or something that yeah, there it is, there's a root. So you just keep going, and it makes stuff that used to take forever to dig, like just a few seconds now. Love this thing. It's made my garden chores much faster.